Everyone, Miss Kavumve here. So we're back again with another video. I'm turning myself into Mario. So keep watching so you can watch it, so you can see the process. All right, so let's get into this process. My Mario look. Enjoy. So this is how we looking after we wash our face. Always wash your face before you do makeup. Don't be doing your makeup without a clean face. You know what? I can make it work. I can make it work. I got this. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do like here and here, and then I'm gonna do a star. I know what I'm doing. Boy, I was watching Love is Blind, but anyways, prime your face. That is step one.
You definitely hear the storyteller. All right, so I feel like you want to tell the story. Run with it. So I'm out, right? With I'm kind of like seeing.
These are the 3 products I like using on my skin. So number 1, we're gonna start with foundation. The way I do it is I fill in my eyebrows, shape them up, and I put foundation around my face. I do around just 3 squirts on my forehead, on my right side, on my left side, and I blend it out with the brush. All right. Then it's time for concealer. We're just going up the levels here. So concealer really pops up your eyebrows, and it really helps with putting your eyeshadow on. I really yelled and, my bad, but I like to use concealer kind of like an eyeshadow primer, because I actually don't use eyeshadow primer. I just put concealer on my eyelids, blend that out, right? You feel me? And then once that eyeshadow goes in, it really pops. But here's just how I blend everything out. No sponges over here. We're just using brushes. This part looks a little crazy, but trust the process. It's just how I do my makeup. Alright, these eyeshadows are clearly very loved. That's why they're kind of empty. They're very loved. Anyways, my camera's right here, up here. Everybody say hi, camera. Hi, camera. Because I film for my YouTube while I go on Tickety Talk Live. You're gonna be Mario for Halloween? Oh my gosh! Oh, hi camera! Okay! I love that. Okay, let's go for TikTok and YouTube. Alright, okay. We're getting into the face paint. The You Can Be Athena face paint. Yes, sir. It's my first face paint palette. Let's get into I'm loving it. It really pops on my skin. Literally no tutorial. Like, there's no tutorial to when I decided to create this look. I just looked up Mario shapes, which are stars, clouds, mushrooms, and I just started painting those on my face. And so the process is a little random. I was just painting stuff. That's just me. It's all me, man. It's all me, dog. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit of powder. Second layer. Okay, looks good after the second layer, because you can still see it. I don't know what accent that guy has. He brought tobacco spiky? Like, what the hell? I love the mom! I think we need a little hot talk. And there you have it. That's Mario. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and be notified for my next upload. We'll be uploading on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And don't forget to hit the bell, because that's how you get notified. Anyways, bye. I love you. I love you. I love you. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded a video. I've just been very busy with my art business, working, gym, and other things, but we're officially back this week.